This poor Pikmin got destroyed by my dog. Using some embroidery thread, I'm going to cover these holes really quick. Keep in mind, it's not going to be quick, but for the power of editing, it will be. Using simple sewing skills, I was able to create my own fabric texture onto my destroyed plushie. You can see the other one still looks destroyed, and now it's fixed. That is the power of hand sewing, and this is called darning. This method is really old, and people did this back in the heyday when they needed to mend socks, and I still use this to mend socks with large holes, or as you can see here, plushies that have been destroyed by my dog. So to begin darning, I have a hole and I need to fill it. I have a giant kind of U shape here, and so I'm going to slowly start working my way around it. I'm going in through one side of the tear, like so. And then I'm going to go to the other side. Now you don't need to make this really tight. You want it to be a little bit loose so you don't really rip the fibers again. And then I'm going to go to the other side. I'm using embroidery thread because this is going to be thicker for the torn fabric. It was destroyed by my dog. And then I'm going to go back underneath to really just get in here. And then you can see I've already started making a weft across the giant hole. Ta-da! You can see that it's already kind of fixed. So you can see here, this is kind of the weft that we're looking for. Now I'm going to start weaving in and out with my needle down this way. You can see I just pulled my needle in and out of some of the threads. Now I'm just going to pull it through here. I go back into the fabric, and then I'm going to go back in and under and over the same little wefts that I just created until I get all the way to the side, and then I can start working on the other side. When you're done, you could go ahead and just tie it off and sew the thread back inside and clip the edges. And ta-da! He now has new fabric for new eyes. Ta-da! And that's what darning is.